If you're not using these AI tools in 2025, you're missing out on easy money. Today, I'm showing you the top 5 AI tools that can help you make money online, fast, and with little to no experience. From writing blog posts to generating product ideas, ChatGPT can create content in seconds. You can offer freelance writing services, start a blog, or even build scripts for videos, all powered by AI. Number 2, MidJourney. This AI art generator can make stunning graphics, product mock-ups, and social media content. Designers are using it to create logos, posters, and even entire brand identities, and selling them for profit. Number 3, OpusClip, perfect for video creators. This AI tool takes a long YouTube video and instantly cuts it into multiple engaging shorts with captions, ready to post on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube Shorts. Number 4, ElevenLabs. Need professional voiceovers but don't have the budget? ElevenLabs generates ultra-realistic voices that sound just like a human narrator. You can use it for YouTube videos, ads, podcasts, or sell voiceover services online. And number 5, Zapier. This automation tool connects your apps and services so you can run an online business almost on autopilot, from email marketing to payment processing. These 5 AI tools can help you build real income streams in 2025. Start with one, master it, and scale from there. Subscribe to Prompt Savvy for more AI tips, tools, and money-making strategies every week.